What's happening, guys? We're doing a move called the pencil grip flip. That's the move. Here's a neat way to get back from the pencil grip to the normal grip, and here is a slow-mo. To begin, you're going to start this move by holding the knife in your hand, just like a normal grip, and you are going to have the safe handle closer to your wrist. You're going to begin by taking your thumb and placing it on the bite handle about 3/4 of the way up the knife. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and you're going to place it on the opposite side of the bite handle, in line with your thumb, which is the tip of your index finger touching. So, got the knife, thumb goes across on the bite handle, index comes and meets it on the other side. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to extend your last 3 fingers so you have a pivot point around your thumb and index finger. From here, all you're going to do, it's quite simple, you're just going to move your arm in kind of a northeast direction. So if up here is north and right is east, you're going to go a little bit of a diagonal northeast. And if you do it right, you can see you get kind of a little bit of a motion happening there. And if you speed it up, what happens is you get the pencil grip flip, and you flip into that nice little pencil grip, which is great if you want to do a Y2K, but you don't have 2 hands because maybe you're holding a camera like me. Now, once you're here, a fun way to get back into the normal grip if you decide you don't want to do a Y2K is what I just did, like 2 times in a row there. So all you're going to do, you're going to hold the knife in the pencil grip, you're going to extend your middle finger over the pivots, you're going to pinch with your middle finger, you're going to remove your thumb, you're going to extend your last 2 fingers, and then you're going to twist. And you're going to twist with your middle finger and index finger so the knife will hit your bottom 2 fingers. At this point, what you're going to do is you're going to curl up your fingers, remove your index finger, and you can grab the knife. And that's the whole move. So once again, right, you get into the pen grip, extend your middle finger, remove your thumb, extend your last 2 fingers, flip the knife over, curl, and repeat. And you can just practice this over and over again. Great way to get good at doing the pencil grip flip. So that's it. That's the whole move. Hope you guys like that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.